What's the meaning of BT? BT. BT.
BT. BT. BT is an acronym that can have various meanings depending on the context. In the field of technology, it generally stands for Bluetooth, a wireless communication protocol used to transfer data between devices over short distances. In the context of British Telecom, it refers to a telecommunications company that provides various services including broadband internet, mobile and landline phone, and television. BT can also stand for other terms such as BitTorrent, backwardation, or blood type. The meaning of BT should always be clarified based on the specific context in which it is used.